Welcome back, readers. Today we are going to be reading Watch Me Throw the Ball by Mo Willems. Making this book was a ball. Watch me throw the ball. La 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 la. A ball. You found my ball. This is your ball? Yes, I threw it from way over there. You threw this ball from way over there? I am very good at throwing. Wow. May I throw your ball? You want to throw my ball? Yes. Do you know the secret to throwing? Sure, have fun. Fun? Throwing this ball is not easy. It takes skill. It takes practice. It takes skill and practice. I worked very hard to learn how to throw a ball. Very hard. Got it? May I throw? Now, please. Yes, maybe one day you can throw like me, but stand back! The pig is throwing. Bling! Plop. Well, how about that? I threw the ball so far you can't even see it. Woohoo! Who rocks? The pig rocks. Call me Super Pig with my arm of power. Ha! Piggy? Need to throw a ball? Here's the pig to call. Piggy! You mean Super Pig, right? Super Pig, I can see your ball. Back here. Do you know what this means? Yes? I threw the ball all the way around the world! The pig does it again. Super Pig is really neat. Super Pig cannot be meat. Piggy, you did not throw the ball around the world. The ball flew behind you and then it fell here. And that is not very far. Not very far at all. You are right, Gerald. I did not throw the ball really very far. But I had fun. La 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 la. Fling. Woohoo! Yes, I rock. The end. So today that story reminded us that we can still have a lot of fun even when it seems like we're not, throwing the ball very far, or we're stuck at home and we're still playing things inside that may seem different than what we usually play. But there's always ways to create fun and always ways to get excited. Have a good day.